Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be another iPhone 14 related video. I just got back from Phillips with my brothers. They just got some new phones. You guys might have already saw my 14 Pro Max unboxing. That's my personal phone. My brothers are on the 14 wave right now too, so that means I will be unboxing their phones. So thank you to them for letting me unbox them for the channel. But anyways, the one that we are going to be looking at right now is the 14 Pro in Space Black. I think this is going to be one of the top sellers for the iPhone 14 lineup because this finish looks incredible. A lot of people really like this finish compared to the basic space gray or graphite, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so we've got the box for the iPhone 14 Pro in Space Black. You can see the dynamic island on the front with a photo of the phone itself. We've got iPhone written in black, and the same thing on the other side. We've got the Apple logo on the top and the bottom in black as well. Here's the back of the box. This is the 128GB model. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this was technically opened already at Phillips to get it all set up with their cell service. Well, let's go ahead and open this thing up once more. So let's take the cover off, and then boom, there is the Space Black. I really like the finish this year. It is very, very dark. Typically we get a space gray, which is a bit brighter than this, but this one is truly like almost like a jet black, but with the reflectiveness that kind of makes it look like space gray like right now. I'm really liking it though. It's giving me like Dark Knight vibes. Like, it just looks really, really cool. The cameras on the phone are huge, of course, because this year we got some pretty significant upgrades to them. We've got a 48 megapixel main camera, and you can see right here the camera bumps are actually pretty big. They are slightly bigger than last year's 13 Pros. So that's the back. Now let's take a look at the stainless steel space black sides. They are definitely a fingerprint magnet. Me just holding it for a few minutes here, you can already see a bunch of fingerprints kind of accumulating on it, but I do think the finish looks really, really nice and really premium on the phone. It's just unfortunate how many fingerprints this thing really just kind of gains after holding it for just a few minutes, like even on the front of the screen, but specifically on the sides it is pretty bad. One other thing that's pretty cool too is that on the cameras you can see there is a little ring of stainless steel that's the same as the sides, just to protect the cameras a little bit. But overall, I think this is one of the best colorways that Apple has made on a Pro model phone in the last few years. It's a really minimal finish, but it looks incredible. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up, but in the meantime I'll quickly show you guys what comes inside of the box. So you just get the basic 1 meter USB-C to lightning cable, and unfortunately we're still not getting the charging brick. Like I've been saying in all of my other unboxings, I think that the Pro model phone should be coming with that 20 watt adapter, or at least have a discount for someone who's buying it with a new device. I think that would be smart, but like I said, unfortunately we don't get it. We just get the cable. Then we get some paperwork here. So designed by Apple in California. We get the SIM ejector because we're in Canada. We still use the SIM cards physically. Then under that we just get some basic paperwork, and then we get an Apple sticker. Alright, so my brother's Space Black phone is all set up now. You can see there's a picture of Daisy in the background there. The display itself is going to be 120 Hz, so it's going to be buttery smooth. The dynamic island is really, really cool as well. If you guys have watched my silver 14 Pro Max unboxing, you can see just how much fun it is. If you're doing basic things like making a call, like I'm making a call to my personal phone right now, let's say that, you know, you want to go back on your phone and start doing other stuff, you swipe up and you can see the phone call uses the dynamic island and makes it this really cool animation at the top here. Then if I want to hang up on the call, I just click on that, brings me back to the phone app, and then just cancel. And there's a ton of different animations for the dynamic island, and personally after using it on my 14 Pro Max for just over a week now, it's not something that you absolutely need on a new phone, but it definitely enhances the experience because it's just so fun to use. It's truly just a great combination of hardware and software, and Apple did a great job with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the 14 Pro. I think a lot of people will really, really like the finish of the Space Black. It looks really, really good in person. It's definitely one of my favorites that Apple has released in the last few years. The stainless steel black sides look fantastic, and then the frosted glass back, it just, oh, it is something special. So yeah guys, that is the unboxing. Thank you for watching the video. If you guys liked it, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Lots of content, of course, is coming to the channel, so stay tuned for that. Also, leave a comment down below of what color you are planning on getting for your 14 Pro if you are getting one. I think a lot of people are going to be choosing between either the space black or deep purple. I think those are going to be the best sellers this year because just look at how good this thing looks. So yeah, guys, that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.